Okay, so this is going to be the half break section of the Shim Sham 2. And it's very similar to what you've learned before for the half break. We're going to change things up a little bit and we're going to turn it this time. It's a lot of fun. Okay, so now we are up to the half break section of the Shim Sham 2. And again, it's going to be similar to what we've done before, but there's going to be some changes as well. So you are going to start with that same spring onto the right foot, and then you're going to step back just like before. Now instead of doing a shuffle ball change, you're going to do a shuffle heel step. And what this does is that puts your weight on your right foot, so your left foot is free to do the spring. So we're going to change sides this time. So you'll do your spring step, shuffle, heel step. Okay, I have been doing this for years, and doing the spring onto the left side has always felt awkward to me, no matter how many times you do it. So don't be concerned that it doesn't feel right. I know it just doesn't feel right. So starting with the right foot, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, spring, step, shuffle, heel step. So you have 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, spring, step, shuffle, heel step. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, spring, step, shuffle, heel step. One more time. 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, spring, step, shuffle, heel step. From here, you are going to do the break, but you are going to turn while you're doing the break. So you're going to start with that step tip. You're going to step on that left foot, and before that heel comes down, you are going to do a half turn to the right. So you want to think about leading with your right shoulder in order to make sure you're turning correctly. So you're doing step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. So again, I know it's scary turning. Without the turn, it's just the regular break. Step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. We are adding in a half turn on 2 of those steps to get you all the way around. So you'll go step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. Okay. I want to point something out here, because when I teach this in the classroom, there are some bad habits that I see when we get to this section, and I want you to make sure you're not doing them. The fact that you are probably on a tap board should help with this, because you don't have a lot of room. So very typically when we do this in the studio, I will see people step really big and to the side as they do each of these. So they'll go step, tip, step, heel step, right, left, and they'll travel. You don't want to travel. You want to stay in place when you do this. Even if you have room to travel, this step should stay in place. So you want to think about putting the feet down kind of in the same place they came from. So again, with the turn, you have step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. Okay, let's put it with the spring, step, shuffle, heel step. So you have 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, step, tip, step, heel step, right, left, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. Good. That's the whole half break section for this verse. Let's walk through it one more time. 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, step, tip, step, heel step, right, left, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, step, tip, step, heel step, right, left, spring, step, shuffle, heel step, spring, step, shuffle,